evening, everybody. I actually asked for this slot because I thought it was important to put Rush in perspective before you saw what you're going to see, because I think what we have is completely kick-ass. We've got a product which is very zappy, young, and especially in a country which has got 600 million people now below the age of 25. I think if you put your eyes on that table, you can see sort of these are icons of this generation. Imran, the way he's been and his personality, the success that he's having. I think these are people with that iconic status. Neha, I don't think most of us have seen her looking so hot. I swear, I've known you for 15 years. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. I think, like she said, this film makes very interesting content other than it being entertaining because it truly takes you in the phase that we all are going through. You don't realize it as simple citizens, as they call yourself, the Aam Aadmi, me, you, all of us. We don't realize it, but the power of media is phenomenal. The media decides what's right, the media decides what's wrong, the media sometimes reports it, media sometimes ensures that you believe in something, right, wrong, that's not a decision anyways. But the power of media has never been more powerful than it is now. And we are the world's largest democracy and the world's largest middle class. So you must understand what I'm trying to say to you. So what we watch, we believe, what we read, we believe. And it's you people, you work day in and day out to actually bring the news to the people. But the news that you believe, people believe in it. So Rush is all about that. I think it's bang on in terms of timing, the topicality. So for once, guys, you're not the media, you're actually part of the film. Other than being casted in it, Imran has played one of you.
Breaking news related to crime. Would head and be websites in English, Marathi and Gujarati. With 13 years of experience, this gentleman is a classic mix of light-hearted entertainment and the intense knowledge of crime scene investigation. We also have the young but talented. And lastly, we have is Nishat Shamsi, Senior Special Correspondent, IBN 7, a truly enigmatic crime journalist who has intrigued audiences with his path-breaking investigation over 7 years. A very good evening. Okay, Mr. Imran Hashmi Akasam Grover, there's a simple question for you. Since you're portraying a role of a crime investigator, what do you think about the profession?
Well, this is the first time actually I'm playing a character like this. Playing a journalist, I've had immense respect for people of this profession. And he's someone who is a news anchor. He's an investigative journalist. I got to do a lot of research before we started shooting, and it was very, very interesting. The kind of deadlines. It's a kind of dangerous job when you go out there and you actually have to get your story and you have to abide by a deadline and get your report for whatever you're investigating. So it's been fun, and I just want to say one thing about today. It's been quite an emotional journey for this film for Rush. Starting off with the shoot in KL, shooting in Delhi, shooting in Mumbai. It's been one of the most memorable experiences, and especially as far as news anchors go. I've always wanted to sit behind that seat, look into the teleprompt, and read out the news, and that was a dream come true because we actually went and shot in KL in a newsroom. So that was fantastic. So I think the entire shoot of the film has been extremely memorable.
Thank you so much. We now begin the newsroom discussion.
Don't worry, I won't grill you all too much. Like they said right now, they're not very scared of getting grilled. So yeah, so I'll start off with a couple of questions. Very generic, relevant questions. आप क्राइम रिपोर्ट्स बनाते हैं. This is for anyone who would want to answer this. आप क्राइम रिपोर्ट्स बनाते हैं समय कभी ऐसी सिचुएशन में पहुंचे हैं जहां आपको धमकियों का सामना करना पड़ा है? I think we were discussing it back in the, I think you'd be the, if you'd want to.
Well, when I was serving for midday, 2005-2006, there was this famous bar dancer incident who was a crorepati bar dancer. When people got to know who this bar dancer was, I was the one who unveiled her face. Apparently हर एक बार डांसर का आशिक होता है. वो आशिक कहीं ना कहीं अंडरवर्ल्ड से कनेक्टेड था और उसने ठान ली कि मुझे गन पॉइंट पे लेगा और उसने मुझे गन पॉइंट पे ली. ऑलमोस्ट कहने के लिए आसान होता है कि गन पॉइंट क्या होती है, बट जब सामने आ जाते हैं तो ऑलमोस्ट एंड अप बीइंग इन योर पैंट्स.
ऑब्वियसली गन नहीं चली थी. क्या हुआ था?
गोली नहीं चली, कट्टा था.
अच्छा, कट्टा था. तो जैम हो गया.
इसलिए मैं हट्टा रह गया. निशात